Hi everyone, welcome to our online classes. Now we have started our online classes academic year 2020-21. Now you hope you all are safe at home. Now you are class 9. You take a little more concentration in your studies also. Now we are starting from our first chapter, real numbers. Real numbers. Before starting our lessons, we need to recall our previous knowledge. What do you know by numbers? When we are in nursery, LKG, you are started with the number 1. Yes or no? How we are counting? So many chocolates given to you. How you will start counting? You are counting from 1, 2, 3 like that. So, the first counting numbers or natural numbers you are learning first. That real numbers are coming under all the natural numbers or real numbers also. The first natural numbers, you open your rough notebook or running notes, write down the definition for numbers. All the numbers you have to note down. Now, natural numbers. Natural numbers are the numbers starting from 1, 2, 3 like that. They are also called counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, it is counting numbers or natural numbers, and it is denoted by the letter N. See, I am drawing a circle. See here, drawing a circle. In this circle, I am writing 1, 2, 3. These are all natural numbers, counting numbers. Now, if I am including a 0, we will get whole numbers. Whole numbers are the numbers started from 0, 1, 2, 3 like that, and it is denoted by the letter W. Whole numbers are denoted by the letter W. Note down here. First we learn natural numbers. Natural numbers are starting from 1, 2, 3. Now whole numbers are starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. See, if I am including a 0 here, the set of whole numbers I will get. The set of whole numbers we will get 0, 1, 2, 3 like that, and it is denoted by the letter W. Now, if I am including negative numbers also in this set of whole numbers, if I am including -1, -2, -3 like that, you see the number line here, number line, see the middle 0, right side 1, 2, 3 like that goes on. -1, -2, -2. This set of numbers, whole numbers plus negative numbers, it is all together we will get integers. If I am including negative numbers -1, -2, -3 to the set of whole numbers, I will get integers, and integers are denoted by the letter I. Integers denoted by the letter I. Now natural numbers starting from 1, 2, 3 and it is denoting by the letter N. Whole numbers starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 and it is denoted by the letter W. Integers for set of whole numbers plus negative numbers, we will get the integers and it is denoted by the letter I. Now we are coming to our topic. What do you mean by real numbers? We learn natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. Now what about fractional numbers? Have you heard the word fractional numbers? Yes, we are. The fractional numbers are that type of numbers having a fractional line in full exact P by Q form. We can say it is P by Q form. Now P also integer, Q also integer, but Q should not be 0. This type of numbers are called fractional number. Say some examples for fractional number. Yes, 2 by 3, 5 by 8, any type of numbers you can say. These fractional numbers and decimal numbers. Decimal numbers, example 2.53, 8.001, 2.4, 10.8, like that decimal numbers, fractional numbers, and this total set, that set is called real numbers. Okay, here we can say fractional numbers, decimal numbers, integers, together we are getting real numbers. Now in 8th chapter you learned about rational numbers. So no, what do you mean by rational number? What is the difference between fractional number and rational number? It's looking like same. So no, see 5 by 8, it's a fractional number. Now minus 2 by 3, is it a fraction? Minus 2 by 3 is a fractional number? No, it is a rational number, because all the positive fractions are coming under the fractional number, and 0. If you are including negatives also, negative number, negative fractions also including, we will get the rational numbers. Have you heard about irrational numbers? Irrational numbers examples root 2, root 3, pi. These are the examples for irrational numbers. Now we are going to learn how to add two rational numbers. Now how can we add two rational numbers? I will show you. Here see, addition of two rational numbers. Minus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 8. Now I am going to add two rational number, minus 2 by 5 and 3 by 8. Now what are the denominators? 5 and 8. These are not like fraction. But remember, like fraction, if the denominators are same, for example 1 by 5, 2 by 5. See the denominators? 5. If the denominators are same, we can say these are like fraction. Here it is not like fraction. One denominator is 5 and other denominator is 8. So we want to take the LCM of these two denominators. What is the LCM of 5 and 8? Anybody? Yes, 5 and 8 LCM is 4. Now I am going to convert this minus 2 by 5, this 5 denominator I am going to convert to 40. How can I convert this 5 to 40? Any idea? How can I convert this 5 to 40? Yes, by multiplying by 8. Multiply 8 in the numerator and the denominator, you will get the denominator 40. Then what will become the numerator? Minus 2 8s are minus 60. Now next one, 3 by 8. How can you make 8 to 40? By multiplying 5. So multiply 5 up and down, you will get 15 by 40. Now what are the fractions? We got like fractions. 1 minus 16 by 40. Next 15 by 40. Now we are going to add it. Minus 16 plus 15 by 40. Now see the numerator, minus 16 plus 15. Two different signs. When we add two different sign number, we have to subtract and give the sign of the largest number. Minus 16 plus 15. What is the answer? Minus 1 by 40 is our answer. One more time. When we are adding two integers, if the sign is same, minus 5, minus 6, same sign. When we add same sign, add the number and give the same sign. When we add different sign numbers, one is positive and another is negative, then subtract the number and give the sign of the larger number. Comparatively, which number is larger, give the sign of the larger number. Here, I will show you some easy tricks to find out this. See, these 5 and 8 are co-prime numbers. What do you mean by co-prime number? There are no common factors between 5 and 8. In this case, we can apply some easy method. See here, minus 2 by 5 and 3 by 8. This method, this trick is called butterfly method. See, I am multiplying this cross multiplying. See here, 2 and 8. I will get minus 16. Then 3 and 5. I will get 15. Down 5 and 8. I will get 40. See, easily we came to the last step. Now minus 16 plus 15, we will get minus 1 by 40. Within 2 seconds we came to our answer. This is an easy trick, but the problem is we can only use for the co-prime number. Otherwise, we have to again, if you are using for other, we have to simplify it. This is little more difficult process. So this easy method, this method is called butterfly method. Why? Because this is looking like a butterfly. So no, right? Now we can use this subtraction of fraction, rational number also by using this butterfly method. Okay? Now, whatever you are reading this, you write down in your classwork, make your own notes, then do the assignment and take the photos in a very bright light and send them.